What goes best with your शाम की चाय recipe is my trio namkeen recipe. You don't trust that? Then wait for the recipe. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am back with another recipe with you. But आज की recipe बिल्कुल भी sweet नहीं है. ये है मेरा trio namkeen recipe. This recipe is apt snack for your family and friends, and in the current festive season you can totally make it and keep it at home, and whenever there is a guest coming in you can completely serve it, or you don't need guest for it. You can just make this recipe for your family and trust me, अगर ये आपके काउंटर टॉप पे 2 या 3 दिन से ज़्यादा टिक जाए तो दैट मीन्स आपने रेसिपी गलत बनाया है. बट जोक्स अपार्ट, hope you like this namkeen recipe, and if you like this recipe you know the drill. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further rambling, let's get on to the recipe. तो इस नमकीन के रेसिपी को बनाने के लिए हमने लिया है मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स के तौर पे 3 चीज़ें, दैट इज़ मखाना, poha and murmura. You can also use brown poha instead of white poha to make it even more healthy. I just had white poha at hand, and I have taken 3.5 cups of raw makhana, around 5 cups of poha and 5 cups of murmura. Now keep it in mind कि ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपके पास एक टाइम पे ये तीनों ingredients होने चाहिए. You can completely make this recipe with just one ingredient, which is either murmura, either poha or either makhana. As I said, this recipe is super versatile and you can change it as per your needs. And then for dry fruits मैंने 3 चीज़ें ले लिया है, that is किशमिश, cashews and almonds. I have taken 1/4 cup each of almonds and cashew and then chopped them up roughly, and then half cup of kishmish because after all I'm a Bengali and I love sweets. I have also taken peanuts here because कोई भी नमकीन का रेसिपी पीनट्स के बिना कंप्लीट नहीं होता, and peanuts I have taken again half cup. Now for our tadka I have taken lots of chaat masala, and I have taken some slit red chilies, mustard seeds, urad dal and then chana dal, and then of course lots of curry patta, haldi, namak as per taste, some Kashmiri red chili powder again for color and a little bit of kick, some hing, and then this is again optional. This is jaggery powder because again I love anything which is like खट्टा मीठा sorts. Also let me mention, जो भी हमने मसाले लिए हैं इसको हम adjust करेंगे while we make the mixture to see what is the right ratio. So that's why I'm not giving the exact quantity of these masala. और इन सब को roast करने के लिए हम ले लेंगे थोड़ा सा घी. You can also roast these 3 ingredients dry, but I just love that little ghee का smell in this mixture. So सबसे पहले हम इन तीनों को अलग अलग घी में थोड़ा सा रोस्ट कर लेंगे so that they become crispy, and then last में उसके बाद हम करेंगे इन तीनों ड्राई फ्रूट्स को along with the peanuts fry, and then last में of course हम डालेंगे तड़का. So let's begin. तो गैस को ऑन करने के बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे very minimal घी, approximately half a teaspoon, and then we'll put our makhanas into this and then roast them for around 3 to 5 minutes or until they become crispy. Now that you're officially in the festive season in India with the the completion, or right now we are in the middle of Ganpati, with all the Indian sweets that we consume, trust me, this is a deal breaker when it comes to change your taste. And without buying them from outside, all the namkeen that you get outside, they're full of oil and God knows what not. This hardly takes any minute for you to prepare. So trust me guys, this is a great snack for your family, be it festive season or non-festive season. I make it very often for my family, almost 2 times a month. इससे मेरा ईज़िली 2-3 हफ्ते तो चल ही जाता है, और मे बी अ लिटिल लेस. And as I said, if you don't like makhana, you can skip makhana. If you only want to make it with poha, you can do so. सिर्फ मुरमुरा के साथ बना सकते हैं. It completely depends on the taste and mood and liking of your family. And when your guests come, trust me, they will simply love this recipe along with all the sweets that you serve. By the way, speaking of sweets, have you checked out my Gud Nariyal Laddu yet? I have made it for Ganpati this year and it was beautiful. Everybody loved it. So do check out that video. I will put a link somewhere on the screen or in the description box below. I have been roasting this for good 3 to 5 minutes और अब ये पूरी तरीके से रोस्ट हो चुका है. Because I have tasted one and it's completely crispy, so I will transfer it to a big bowl. Make sure कि एक ingredients roast होने के बाद आप इनको एक बड़े से पतीले में shift करते जाइए, so that you know, it gets time to cool. Now again I will put around half a teaspoon of ghee in my kadhai, and now it's turn for my murmura. आपका कढ़ाई ऑलरेडी काफ़ी गर्म है, सो मेक श्योर आप इनको चलाते रहे एंड डोंट लेट इट सिट. तो फिर क्या होगा कि एकदम से जल जाएगा आपका इंग्रेडिएंट इंस्टेड ऑफ क्रिस्पिंग अप. एंड मुरमुरा हार्डली टेक्स एनी टाइम. इट विल डेफिनेटली टेक लेसर टाइम देन योर मखाना. ऑलराइट, तो मुरमुरा को लिटरली लगा 1 से 2 मिनट क्रिस्प अप होने में. अगेन सेम थिंग आई हैव रिपीटेड. कढ़ाई में मैंने ले लिया है हाफ टी स्पून घी and then my 5 cups of poha, and I'll roast it until the poha is nice and crispy. ये पोहा अच्छे से रोस्ट हो गया है. इसका एकदम वाइट कलर से it has slightly changed the color to like pale, and then I have roasted it for around 3 to 4 minutes. And if I break the poha, it easily like breaks, so it's become very crispy. So मैं इसको और 30 seconds चलाऊंगी and then I'll move it to the big bowl again. So now that all our major ingredients are roasted, हम एक कढ़ाई में ले लेंगे around 1 tablespoon of ghee to roast all our tadka and the dry fruits. So there goes our tadka, which is mustard seeds, some urad dal, some chana dal. You can also put jeera, but I didn't want to, and lots of curry leaves, haldi, namak, some Kashmiri red chili powder for color, some hing. To this I'll put all my peanuts, chaat masala, और इस तड़के को हम अच्छे से फ्राई कर लेंगे. And then of course the rest of my dry fruits. Instead of ghee, you can also use any cold pressed oil like virgin coconut oil या फिर peanut oil, as long as it is cold pressed, or normal oil will also do, but I just find that, you know, ghee is healthier, or all these cold pressed oils are healthier, hence I like to use them. Make sure that इस मिक्सचर को आप जला नहीं रहे हैं बट अच्छे से पका रहे हैं, बिकॉज जो भी कच्चा स्मेल है मसालों का वो चला जाए. एट द सेम टाइम योर ड्राई फ्रूट्स आर कुक्ड थरली एंड यू आर नॉट बर्निंग देम. सो गैस को एकदम धीमी आंच पे रखिए. You can also use green chili along with the whole red chilies, but my son just loves this mixture, and I've already put red chili and little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder as well. Hence I will just avoid the green chili. But आप इसको ज़्यादा तीखा definitely बना सकते हैं with more pepper powder, red chili powder. तड़का हो गया है रेडी. हम गैस को करेंगे बंद. एंड बिफोर आई मिक्स इट विद ऑल माई अदर इंग्रेडिएंट्स आई विल लेट इट कूल डाउन फॉर अराउंड 5 to 7 minutes. इफ़ यू आर इन अ प्लेस वेर यू आर यूजिंग प्री रोस्टेड नट्स एंड ड्राई फ्रूट्स एंड पीनट्स, सो आपको फिर उस सिचुएशन में you don't have to fry your peanuts and almonds and then cashew. You can directly put it in the mixture. Alright, so it's around 5 to 7 minutes. हमारा तड़का almost काफ़ी हद तक ठंडा हो गया है. And then now we will mix this तड़का with our poha, makhana and murmura. Now make sure that all the masalas are stuck to your kadhai. आप you don't lose out on any of those masalas and you scrape everything out. So we are almost halfway through the mixing and इस टाइम पे हम डाल देंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा jaggery sugar. And mind you guys, this is completely optional as I like my mixture a little khatta, meetha and then little tikha. So I put jaggery. You can completely skip jaggery if you do not like your namkeen to have that extra tinge of sweetness. Now that the mixture is warm, the jaggery will nicely stick to all your ingredients. Also, if you want your namkeen to be more sweet, then you can increase the jaggery. And then once everything is mixed properly, I will do a quick salt taste and then put some salt if required at all. The key is to be slow and steady and make the mixture. Otherwise आपका मसाला रह जाएगा किसी कॉर्नर पे और आपके पोहे और मुरमुरे और मखाना रह जाएगा किसी और कॉर्नर पे. So be patient and then mix it slowly. Alright, तो हमारा मिक्सचर हो गया है पूरी तरीके से ready. Look at the vibrant colors in this mixture and the salt that I have taken initially, that was absolutely sufficient. So I did not have to mix any more salt into it. And the key is to mix it thoroughly and take your time. And it is nicely mixed. ये अभी भी थोड़ा सा warm है. So I will keep it aside, not in a room जहाँ पे फैन चल रहा है. Just keep it aside and इस पर आप कवर मत लगाइए. अगर आप इस पर कवर लगा देंगे तो इस पर मॉइस्चर पकड़ लेगा और सारा जो क्रिस्पीनेस है वो चला जाएगा. So let it cool down completely before you move this namkeen mixture into a airtight container. और ये easily आपके काउंटर टॉप पे रहेगा for 10 to 12 days without going soggy. Trust me guys, and this is made with all fresh ingredients full of nuts and makhana and poha and the list goes on. So hope you like this super healthy, tasty and super easy trio namkeen recipe. And I would really love to know if you have made this recipe and how it turned out. So do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. As many of you requested that you guys are done with the sweet recipes, I really wanted to come up with this namkeen recipe with you. And this festive season, I hope you definitely try this recipe. And if you have liked this recipe, you know the drill. Subscribe and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Alright, see you guys for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.